Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening up my May Play by Sephora box. I'll be trying on everything that I got in this month's box, so if you're interested in that, keep watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's get into it. I open up this box every single month on my channel. I will link last month's video up here for you in case you were interested and you missed out on it, but Play by Sephora is a $10 subscription box that you get every single month. You get 5 sample size products as well as 1 bonus, which is usually a fragrance or a little shampoo conditioner sample. So let's just hop into what I got this month. When you open up the box, this is what it looks like. So it has, I don't know, it just says like Beauty BFFs, National Best Friend Day, and then this is the bag. Oh, it's like a greetings from type of thing. It's actually really cute. So the first thing in here is this, which is the Coco Cabana cream from Sol de Janeiro. If you guys watch any of my BoxyCharm unboxing videos, you know that I got this and I think that it smells terrible. It smells like buttered popcorn, and I am personally not trying to smell like that. I love this one. This is the Boom Boom cream. This one smells delicious and tropical and yummy. This one smells like you should be a movie theater. So I do not like this. I will be passing this along, but I do actually have this one in this size, which is really good for traveling. The first makeup item is this from Benefit. It is the BADgal Bang Mascara. I actually did a full video review on this when it came out, so I can link that video up here for you guys, but I am going to test this out. I'm just going to throw some eyeliner on really quick, and then I will put this on. I also do want to show you the wand. It's an interesting wand because the bristles are so short and the wand is super, super flexible. And it's also tapered, so the bristles are longer at the base of it than they are at the tip. So I'm just going to repeat this on the other eye. Okay, I'm waiting for my first coat of mascara to dry, and I did just want to open up the pamphlet and see what it says about this mascara. So it says, Lash Out Loud, an out-of-this-world mascara that adds weightless length and volume for up to 36 hours. This waterproof formula derived from space technology takes lashes to the next level with gravity-defying lift and vitamins that support natural lash strength. I cannot read today. So that is that, and then the next item, I'm going to put another coat of mascara on, but I'm just letting this one dry. So the next one is from Smashbox. This is the Smashbox Always On Matte Liquid Lipstick in Stepping Out, and it says, Matte About You, a high impact matte liquid lipstick in a deep nude shade that stays put for 8 hours. This highly pigmented formula has a primer oil complex that makes its wear not only long lasting but comfortable and flawless too. I thought that I had gotten one of these before. I still think that I have, but I can't find it at the moment. Hopefully it's not this color because I'm opening this one up. This is pretty deep for me at the moment, but we're gonna put it on anyway. I think this is pretty, but this is more of a brown on me than a nude, so that is that. Let's go in and do another coat of mascara. Okay, this is 2 coats of the mascara. I have to say it's a little bit clumpy on this eye. I think this mascara, because it's a bit of a wetter formula, it does have the ability to get a bit clumpy. Moving on, the next thing in the bag is this from Alterna. It's the Caviar Anti-Aging Restructuring Bond Repair Leave-In Heat Protection Spray. So obviously I'm not going to use this right now. I will use this though. It's like it shoots out very far. I always use a heat protectant in my hair just because I don't want it to get damaged. So on here it says, a vitamin-rich leave-in spray that cares for and protects your strands from heat damage. Get your hair ready for styling with a smoothing, shine-enhancing formula that helps prevent breakage, frizz, and split ends with just a couple of sprays. So that is amazing. I will definitely use this, and this is one of those good products that you can take to travel with if you are going on a longer trip. I generally, if I'm just going for a weekend or something, I don't wash my hair, so it doesn't matter. But if I am going for longer than that and I am going to wash my hair, like my trip that I'm leaving tomorrow, that is something that I would bring with me. Next up is from IT Cosmetics. This is the Bye Bye Under Eye cream, and it says on here, an intensive eye cream that reduces the appearance of dark circles, fine lines and puffiness. Developed with the help of plastic surgeons, this super hydrating eye cream brightens and invigorates the under eye area with caffeine, vitamin C, and collagen. I've used this before and I actually really liked it, but I personally don't like it under makeup, which is why I did not use it today. So this is the little package. That's what it looks like. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand so you can kind of see. It leaves like a nice, fresh, glowy look on your skin. So I like to use this at night personally. I know everyone is different, but I have issues with a lot of eye creams under my makeup, and this is one that I just don't really like under makeup. And then lastly is this. It is this month's sample. It is a fragrance from, it's called Salty Flower from Viktor and Rolf, and it says orange flowers mingle, with cashmeran and salty accord to create a fresh, magical fragrance. And it says the fragrance family is floral. The top note is salt flower accord. The middle note is, I'm gonna say this wrong, frangipani flower, and then the base note is cashmeran. Okay, I don't like that. That is definitely not a fragrance for me. Ooh, man. I should not have sprayed that so close because I feel like it got in my hair and I'm going to smell like that now. I'm just going to run through the products really quickly and share my final thoughts with them. Like I said before, the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream is a pass. I just don't like the scent, but the formula is really good. So if you want to try one of them, I would definitely go into Sephora and smell them first. The Bum Bum Cream scent is outstanding. The Benefit BADgal Bang. This is a pretty good mascara. I do like it. It's not my favorite, but I'll definitely use this one up. I always go back to this. The Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara is my favorite. I don't stray from it. I just love it so much. So that's that. The Smashbox, I like the formula of this liquid lipstick, but this color is a bit dark for me, especially for summertime. Like, I'm feeling the brights and the nudes and all of that. So the color's a pass, but I do like the formula. The Heat Protectant Spray, I'm glad that I didn't get another leave-in conditioner. I feel like I always get leave-in conditioners and I do not use them. So I'm excited to have a Heat Protectant Spray that I will actually use. I don't have really an opinion on this because I haven't tried it yet. The IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Eye Cream, I'm excited to have this in my collection again. I really like it for night. I don't like it during the day, but this is a really, really good eye cream for nighttime. And then the fragrance is a no. I can still smell it and I hate it. So that is everything that I got in this month's Play by Sephora box. Let me know down below in the comments if you get this. Did you get the same things? Did you get different things? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Let me know all the things down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.